friends, welcome to TechTouch channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix Warhammer 40000 Darktide error code 30004 in Windows 11 PC. So before I start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. Guys, first of all check your internet connection properly working or not. Then update your graphic driver. For that you need to right click start menu, click on device manager, double click on display adapter, then select here graphics, then click on update driver. Select here search automatically for, then close this window. After doing this, check your Windows update or not. Open a Windows 11 setting, click on Windows update. If there any pending update, then update from here. After updating, close this window, then go to the command prompt. Right click on command prompt, click on run as administrator, click on yes to allow, then type here dism.exe space / online space / cleanup dash image space / restore health, then hit enter, then close this window. Again go to the command prompt, right click on command prompt, click on run as administrator, then type here sfc space / scan now, then hit enter. After doing this, close this window, disable antivirus, go to the Windows 11 settings, select here privacy and security, then click on Windows security, double click on virus and threat protection, click on manage settings. In this, here you disable real-time protection, click on yes, and close this window. After doing all this method, restart PC or laptop, fixed your problem. So in this way you fix this problem. Thanks for watching friends. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.